Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Probability. Let us see the dice problems. We know that a die has 6 faces and all the faces are numbered from 1 to 6. If one die is thrown, then we have 6 possibilities. So we write the sample space S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We write the numbers within the set bracket like this. Next, if 2 dice are thrown, then we have 36 possibilities like this. Starting from 1, 1, 1, 2, etc. we have to write up to 6, 6. Here see the first bracket 1, 1. The meaning is the first die shows 1 and also second die shows 1. In second row, first bracket 2, 1 means first die shows 2 and second die shows 1, etc. The last pair should be 6, 6. So that means in the first die we have 6, second die also we have the number 6. So that is the maximum possibility because a die has the maximum number 6. Here in each row we have 6 elements. There are 6 rows. So the total elements 6 into 6, that is 36. So remember, in a single die n of s equal to 6. When we throw 2 dice, then n of s equal to 36. And we know the formula for probability. P of E equal to n of E divided by n of S. Now let us see the problems. 2 dice are rolled. Find the probability that the sum of the outcomes is equal to 4, greater than 10, less than 13. First let us write the sample space. We know that there are 36 possibilities. So we write all the possibilities starting from 1, 1, 1, 2, etc. up to 6, 6. So n of s equal to 36. The first question is equal to 4. So we write let A be the event of getting the sum 4. We have to find the probability that the sum of the outcomes is equal to 4. So let us take that event as capital A. Now see this sample space and take and write the elements in which the total should be 4. This line gives the sum 4. Therefore we get 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Now count and write the elements n of A equal to 3. Now using the formula P of A equal to n of A divided by n of S. This is equal to n of A value is 3 divided by n of S value 36. We can cancel by 3. So the answer is 1 by 12. Next, second question is greater than 10. Let B be the event of getting the sum greater than 10. Just draw the line in which we get the sum 10. So this line gives the sum 10. But here the question is greater than 10. Just take all the elements right side of this line. That gives the sum greater than 10. So we get 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So these elements gives the sum greater than 10. If you add this 5 plus 6, 11, 6 plus 5, 11, 6 plus 6, 12. So these are the numbers greater than 10. Now count and write n of b equal to 3. We write the formula P of b equal to n of b divided by n of s. That is equal to n of b is 3 divided by n of s is 36. Cancel by 3, we get the answer 1 by 12. Next, third question, less than 13. Let C be the event of getting the sum less than 13. Here note that in this sample space, the maximum possibility is 6 comma 6, and that itself gives the total 12. So here the elements of the sum less than 13 means the entire sample space. Therefore, C equal to sample space and n of C equal to 36. In the sample space, we have totally 36 elements. So we write n of C equal to 36. Now use the formula P of C equal to n of C divided by n of S. So that is equal to 36 divided by 36. Cancel this, we get the answer 1. Next problem, 2 dice are rolled once. Find the probability of getting an even number on the first die or a total of face sum 8. Here in the question, if we have the word or, then we have to use union formula. That is P of A union B formula. So the first event take it as A, second event take it as B, and then use the formula. 2 dice are rolled. So we write the sample space S equal to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, etc. up to 6 comma 6. There are 36 possibilities. Therefore, n of S equal to 36. Here the first event is getting an even number on the first die. So let A be the event of getting even number on the first die. See the sample space. First number should be even number. So see the second row, we have the first number 2. So we have to take all the elements in the second row. Next, see the fourth row, the first number is 4, that is an even number. So we have to take the fourth row. Similarly, see the sixth row, the first number is 6. So we have to take the sixth row. The first number should be even number. So we take second row, fourth row, sixth row. Therefore, the event capital A equal to, you take and write the elements in the second row, fourth row and sixth row. And now count and write. In each row we have 6 elements. Here there are 3 rows. So 6 into 3, that is 18. Therefore n of A equal to 18. Now using the formula P of A equal to n of A divided by n of S, we get 18 divided by 36. N of A is 18, n of S is 36. And please don't cancel the number here. Let us simplify finally. Take the next event B. Here the second event is total of face sum 8. So let B be the event of getting face sum 8. That means the total should be 8. So this line gives the total 8. You can check this 2, 6 total 8, 3, 5 total 8, 4, 4 total 8, 5, 3 total 8, 6, 2 total 8. So take and write all the elements in this line. Now count and write n of b equal to 5. Now using the formula P of b equal to n of b divided by n of s, that is equal to n of b is 5 divided by n of s is 36. Now we have to find the intersection. Here a intersection b equal to 2, 6, 4, 4, 6, 2. You check the elements given in the set capital A and B. See that 2, 6 is in capital A and also 2, 6 is in capital B. So the intersection is 2, 6. Similarly, we have 4, 4 here and also 4, 4 here. So take and write. Similarly, we have 6, 2 here and also 6, 2 here. So take and write 6, 2. Just take and write the intersecting points, that is red color and blue color meeting points. See this is 2, 6. This point 4, 4 and this point 6, 2. So just red and blue meeting points are the intersection. Therefore we get 2, 6, 4, 4, 6, 2. Now count and write n of a intersection b equal to 3. Now using formula P of a intersection b equal to n of a intersection b divided by n of s, that is equal to 3 divided by total 36. Now see the question. In the question we have the word or, that means we have to use union formula. So P of a union b equal to P of a plus P of b minus P of a intersection b. We know all the values, just take and substitute the values. P of a is 18 divided by 36. P of b is 5 by 36 minus P of a intersection b is 3 by 36. Now we have to simplify this. Here we have same denominator, so we can take LCM very easily. That is why we don't cancel the number in the beginning. So we have to simplify at the last. Here taking 36 LCM, straightly add the numerator numbers. 18 plus 5, 23 minus 3, that is 20 divided by 36. We can cancel by 4. We get the answer 5 divided by 9. Similarly, let us see the another sum. 2 dice are rolled together. Find the probability of getting a doublet or sum of faces as 4. See the question, we have or. So we have to use A union B formula. Here 2 dice, so we have to write the sample space from 1, 1, 1, 2, etc. up to 6, 6. So there are 36 possibilities. We write n of s equal to 36. Take the first event A. So A be the event of getting a doublet. Doublet means same numbers. That means just take this diagonal 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So same elements in a pair is called doublet. So A equal to, take and write all the elements in this diagonal. Now count and write the elements. Totally there are 6 elements here. So n of A equal to 6. Now using formula P of A equal to n of A divided by n of s. that is equal to 6 divided by 36. Please don't cancel here. Finally, we can simplify this. Take the next event B. Here the another event is sum of the faces as 4. So let B be the event of getting face sum 4. So we have the elements 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. So these are the elements in which we have the total 4. So take and write the elements and count and write n of b equal to 3. Using formula P of b equal to n of b divided by n of s. That is equal to 3 divided by 36. Now we have to find the intersection. Just to see the lines, take and write the intersecting points. See the red color line and blue color line. The intersecting point is only this, that is 2, 2. Therefore, A intersection B equal to 2, 2. We have only one element, so n of A intersection B is 1. Using the formula P of A intersection B equal to n of A intersection B divided by n of S, that is equal to 1 by 36. Now see the question. We have to use the formula A union B. So P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. We have all the values. Just take and substitute the values. P of A is 6 by 36. P of B is 3 by 36. Minus P of A intersection B is 1 by 36. See the denominator, same number. So we can take LCM very easily. So taking 36 LCM, just add the numerator numbers. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So we get 8 by 36. Cancel by 4. We get the final answer 2 divided by 9. Thanks for watching.